Hello YouTube, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change taskbar setting and click of mouse. So let's get started. So first you go to the start, then into settings. Here you have to go to personalization. Here you can see many other things about lock screen. Here is about lock screen. You can see here Windows Spotlight. It will be changed the background of the lock screen every time. It will be changing. And here cotton on lock screen. Here you can also see pictures or slideshow. If you fix to slideshow, your own pictures will be shown here. Okay, now screensaver settings, screen timeout. Okay, and this is the apps that will be shown in lock screen. Okay, now here you can see taskbar, so go to here simply. Now here you can see automatically hide the taskbar in desktop mode. So now you can see it is a hidden taskbar. Now when you go down, and it will be open. Just a minute. Okay, now here after you just turn it off, you can see now it is visible. Now just let's turn it on again, and now in desktop also it will be hidden. And whenever you open settings, and you can see this, now show badges on taskbar. Okay, I'm going to turn it off for some time. Replace command prompt and all that is use small taskbar buttons. When you do this taskbar becomes small, and you can see it buttons also are small, so it looks pretty cool. So now I'm gonna disable this, then automatically hide taskbar in desktop mode, and here is in tablet mode and all that. Here you can change about bottom. Now I would like to do it left, so you can see it is here now. Now top, it will go here. It looks pretty cool, no? Then just here you can see always hide the labels, and here is when taskbar is full. So when you do it when taskbar is full, then it will show like this in a long one, and I don't like that, so I will just do it always hide labels, and just turn it bottom. Okay, now here turn system icon on or off and all that. So here is also about, I was also going to show you about mouse. No, so here you can go to mouse settings, and here you can see select your primary button. Okay, here left and right. If I select right button as primary, then whenever I will do left click, I'm doing left click, but it's not doing anything. And now you can see I'm doing right click, and now it is get selected. I'm doing left click, but it's not getting selected. Now right click, and it is selected. Here is about scrolling. So thanks for watching my video, and I am bringing more and more helpful videos for you guys. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I will be back in a new video. Thanks for watching.